tanong ko, yung families of innocent extrajudicial killings, kayo din.
For Education Corps.
Responsable kayo kasi polisiyan nyo yun. Kumbaga, tatak Duterte. Dahil polisiyan nyo rin yan, tama ba? Sa Davao. Nung nasa Davao pa kayo. Tama ba na tawagin po itong Davao model or Davao style? Mr. Chair?
I cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan.
Yes, but you are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr. Chair,
yes or no?
tinatanong na...
Point of order suspended.
Ano ka, police?
Point of order, Mr.